Hey, just a quick little video. We've ripped the tow eye out on this boat, so I'm going to just cut it off with the air saw and then put on a new one. Alright, let's do it. Should only take about 10 minutes. Stick around, watch it happen. Just weld that on now. Man of many hats. I'm looking up at my welder and I'm adjusting the amperage that I want for it. Erroneous, beautiful thing. That is hot enough. Line it up. So it's nice and straight. A little bit of a gap, which will give us good penetration through this little tiny gap there. You can see the penetration we got there. I'm going to V that out with my air saw again and weld it up from this side. I'll swing you around a little bit more so you can see, and I'll zoom in on you. There we go. A little bit closer to the action, make you feel like you're here. There we go. All right, we'll just weld that out now. There we have it. Well, there we go, another job done. Put on the safety chain. I'll put a new hook on there for him. And we wind the boat back up. Job done. Short and sweet, that one. All done in probably about 10 minutes. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I fix anything aluminium. I'll do it here right in front of you, and I'll explain as best I can how to do things. Thank you for watching. See you next time.